This is brought to you by Think Space Media. Today, we're diving into the world of possibilities that your car holds. Whether it's parked in your driveway or cruising down the highway, your vehicle can be more than just a mode of transportation. It can be a source of income. So, buckle up as we explore 5 simple yet effective ways to make money with your car. Hey there, car owners. Are you looking to turn your vehicle into a money making machine? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to explore 5 simple ideas to help you earn some extra cash with your car. Your car is not just a means to get from point A to point B, it can be a versatile tool for generating income. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your vehicle into a profitable asset, and we're here to show you how. Idea number 1. Become a rideshare driver. Apps like Uber and Lyft have made it easier than ever to earn money by giving people rides. Set your own schedule and work as much or as little as you want. This flexibility allows you to balance your driving with other commitments, making it an ideal side hustle. Plus, you get to meet new people and explore your city while earning money. Idea number 2. Deliver food and groceries. With the rise of food delivery services like DoorDash and Instacart, you can make money by picking up and delivering meals or groceries to customers in your area. This option is perfect for those who enjoy driving and want to help others by providing a convenient service. You can choose your hours and work in familiar neighborhoods, making it a comfortable way to earn extra income. Idea number 3. Rent out your car. When you're not using your vehicle, why not let it make money for you? Platforms like Turo allow you to rent out your car to others, turning your idle asset into a source of income. This is a great option if you have a second car or if you don't use your vehicle every day. Just ensure your car is in good condition and meets the platform's requirements. Idea number 4. Advertise on your car. Companies are willing to pay you to wrap your car with their advertisements. It's a passive way to earn money while you drive around town as usual. This method requires minimal effort on your part, and you can continue with your daily routine while earning extra cash. Just make sure to choose reputable companies and understand the terms of the agreement. Idea number 5. Offer mobile car washing services. With some basic supplies and skills, you can start a mobile car washing business, bringing this service directly to your customers' homes or workplaces. This idea is perfect for those who enjoy working outdoors and want to provide a valuable service to busy individuals. You can set your prices and build a loyal customer base over time. Remember, each of these ideas comes with its own set of considerations, such as insurance, taxes, and local regulations. Be sure to do your research before diving in. It's important to understand the legal and financial implications of each option to ensure a smooth and profitable experience. Take the time to plan and prepare, and you'll be on your way to success. So, there you have it. 5 simple ways to make money with your car. Whether you choose one or combine multiple ideas, your vehicle can become a valuable tool for boosting your income. The possibilities are endless, and with a little effort, you can turn your car into a profitable venture. Start exploring these options today and watch your earnings grow. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips from ThinkSpace Media. Drive safe and earn smart. We love hearing from you and are excited to see how you transform your car into a money-making machine. Stay tuned for more innovative ideas and tips to enhance your financial journey.